This is one of the most unique mountain retreats in Kentucky, set on 47-plus acres with panoramic build site views and total privacy. As you arrive, the property immediately opens into rolling eastern Kentucky mountain terrain surrounded by mature trees and untouched natural landscape. The sense of seclusion is instant, offering a peaceful escape far away from city noise while still keeping access to modern conveniences nearby. With 47-plus acres of land, the possibilities here are wide open. Whether you're looking for a private getaway, hunting retreat, future homestead, or long-term investment property, the land gives you the space and freedom to create your own vision. The wooded acreage provides natural privacy, while open sections allow for expansion, recreation, or additional development. The property also features a beautifully renovated cabin that blends rustic charm with updated comfort. Inside, the home has a warm and cozy feel, designed for simple mountain living, while still offering modern improvements. It works perfectly as a weekend escape or a full-time residence surrounded by nature. One of the standout features of this property is the elevated build site located at the top of the land. From here, you get sweeping panoramic views that stretch across the surrounding mountains, something rarely found in this region, especially this close to Red River Gorge. Adding even more value, the property includes city water and fiber internet, giving you reliable modern utilities in a completely private mountain setting. This combination of seclusion and connectivity makes it ideal for both living and remote work. The land itself is rich with natural beauty, featuring mature trees, wildlife, and peaceful surroundings in every direction. Every part of this property feels designed for privacy, relaxation, and long-term potential. This Kentucky mountain retreat delivers space, views, and opportunity all in one rare package.